If I was starting Medicare and I had $200 a month, here is exactly what I would do every single month with my Medicare budget. Number one, you know it's coming. It's going to be Medicare Part B premium, which is going to be $185 a month. Number two, what I would do would be to find the best Medicare Advantage plan I could in our area, which is going to be zero premium for most of the plans. With that, I want to make sure all my doctors are covered, all my healthcare providers, my prescriptions, all that stuff's going to be wrapped in that Medicare Advantage plan. It's going to be zero cost for the plan itself, and the drug plan's going to be built into there, so that's going to be fantastic. I also will not need dental and vision coverage because that's going to be wrapped in the Medicare Advantage plan as well. All right, I only got $15 left in my budget. I'm going to spend that on a hospital indemnity plan. This is a gap coverage plan or a copay plan that's going to help pay for any copays if I go into the hospital or certain doctor procedures. That $15 a month is going to go a long way to help cover any copays for hospitals or extra coverage. Like and follow for more. Drop your budget below as well.